This guy came to rehab department for physiotherapy. He was unable to walk and stand. The physiotherapist decided to take him under advanced locomotor training program. We will show you step by step his recovery. First goal during the program was to improve his core and muscle power by guiding him appropriate bed mobility exercise. The exercise included were butt bridge, single leg raises, weighted heel slides and core stabilization activities. Functional reach activities were also included. After improving core strength, physio made him pass through complementary gait training activities, also known as pre-ambulatory exercises. The exercise were forward walk and backward walking activities, to decrease fear of fall and improve coordination bilaterally. The third goal was to improve static and dynamic balance, as it's the most important while doing a normal walk. The patient was given different drills TK completed during this phase. Another goal during this program was to improve cardiovascular endurance. This was achieved by static bicycling with progressive increase in resistance every day. Lumbar and core stabilization were achieved through rowing machine. After achieving all of this, the second last part was to get him back on his feet, and it was done through gait training on treadmill on 0.5 speed. Finally, you can see patient was able to locomote by himself, progressing from functional independence scale 2/7 to 5/7 in walking. Now physio has decided that he should take 3 sessions in a week and can improve more of his walking ability.